Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change Google Pay password. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open Google Pay app and click here bank account. Click here and here you see upside three dot. Click here. Click here, change Gpay pin. Here you writing your Google Pay old pin and click to submit. Here you choose Google Pay new pin. Any 4 digits you can choose here and click to submit. And here again re-enter new pin and click to submit. So friends, Google Pay password change ready successfully. You also can change Google Pay password very easily. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.